Hello everyone, hi, my name is Adner and welcome to Agriculture Made Simple. Today I'm going to talk about cash crop. What is your best cash crop for you? And behind me right here I have strawberries, and that's what I have here. And back there there's asparagus. So let's talk about cash crop, because one of the things that are very important for you, for homesteaders, and for people that want to move out in the country and have a living off the land, you need a garden, yes, but most important, you need one cash crop, meaning that crop that brings you $20,000-$30,000 a year. Let's talk about a few factors about that. One of the things is that it has to be easy. It has to be something that you produce with ease. So you don't have to force the plants. You don't have to force anything. That in that area, for example, if you're in an area that strawberries do well and they sell well, strawberries might be your cash crop. But if you're in an area, for example, that pine trees or eucalyptus or asparagus or garlic, anything that is very easy to grow and it brings you a good amount of cash, that's your cash crop. So it is very important to determine that first. Now, here I have a strawberry patch, and this is one of our cash crop here that we have, and that this brings about $20,000 to $30,000 a year. And behind me there's the asparagus, and the asparagus, for example, they don't bring much, but they're very easy to grow. So that's more like a secondary cash crop that you can have. Another thing is with cash crop is that you have to make sure that you have a good market. And that as well will determine which crop you produce. For example, if asparagus is something that you have a good market for, or garlic, or pumpkins, whatever it may be, that you have to consider that as well. So what grows in your area is one of the things you have to consider. Good market, and that has a good price. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and if you would like to support this channel and learn more about farming, consider subscribing to my Patreon membership. And I hope you have a good day. Keep growing your veggies.